the Cookbook for the Universe embarks on a transformative journey into the principles shaping existence, seamlessly merging the mysteries of philosophy, the precision of science, and the boundless creativity of imagination. Far from being merely a guide to understanding the cosmos, it challenges us to redefine the very fabric of reality itself. At its core lies relative gravity, a groundbreaking framework uniting the microcosmic and macrocosmic realms, from the birth of subatomic particles to the grand dynamics of galaxies. Through this lens, the book unravels the intricate interplay of forces, the evolution of matter, and the dimension of time as the axis from which all existence arises. Rooted in decades of exploration and synthesis, the Cookbook for the Universe transcends traditional paradigms like quantum mechanics, relativity, and string theory. It bridges the gaps left by these frameworks, offering a cohesive and visionary narrative. Whether illuminating the harmonic resonance of black holes, revealing the emergence of singularities through Ex Nihilo, or exploring the iterative evolution of energy via the delta phenomenon, this book constructs a unifying framework for understanding how the universe emerges, evolves, and interconnects. By Ryan Carl Daly 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe. A. Key insights. The transformation of the void. Ex Nihilo outlines how the void transitions into structured reality, laying the foundation for existence. Mechanics of relative gravity, a unifying force that links particles, galaxies, and every entity in between. Harmony in cosmic evolution, alternating currents, spatial time, and interconnected forces weave a coherent, ever-expanding fabric of existence. B. A holistic framework. 1. Unified understanding across scales. Relative gravity bridges the micro-quantum mechanics and macro-relativity and cosmology realms, providing a framework to understand forces, mass, time, and energy as interconnected phenomena. It moves beyond the limitations of Newtonian gravity, Einstein's relativity, and quantum mechanics, addressing phenomena from the atomic to the galactic scale. 2. Integration of diverse phenomena. The framework integrates fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, and strong and weak nuclear forces into a single, object-oriented model, demonstrating their polymorphic expressions of a deeper symmetry. It extends its reach to phenomena like dark matter, dark energy, and impedance that elude traditional theories. 3. Cyclic and iterative nature of the universe. Reimagining the Big Bang as part of a cyclical process. The theory emphasizes iterative evolution and transformations over a singular origin. It explores the dynamic interplay of manifolds such as galaxies and black holes over time. 4. Manifolds as fundamental units. By treating entities, particles, celestial bodies, etc. as manifolds with dimensions of energy, time, and radius, RG offers a scalable and adaptable model for interpreting reality. By Ryan Carl Daly 2. Cookbook for the Universe. C. Building on prior works. The Cookbook for the Universe draws heavily on the foundational ideas of earlier manuscripts. Ex Nihilo, the delta phenomenon, and Essay on Relative Gravity. 1. Thematic integration. Ex Nihilo provides philosophical insights into creation and evolution, emphasizing symmetry, derivation, and the infinite relativity of origins. Essay on Relative Gravity offers an object-oriented scientific framework to explain forces, particles, time, and dimensions. 2. Core concepts expanded. Delta phenomenon. Iterative cycles drive evolution, creating harmony from particles to galaxies. Relative gravity explains the unification of forces and relational dynamics across scales. Dimension of time advances the concept of time as a cyclic, multidimensional framework, harmonizing cosmic evolution. 3. Methodological innovation. The object-oriented design treats universal phenomena as modular and polymorphic, enabling abstraction and application across contexts. 4. Philosophical depth. The book explores the interplay of science and spirituality, addressing the concepts of nothingness, determinism, and interconnectedness. 5. Accessibility and engagement. Visual aids, analogies, and structured sections guide readers through intricate theories, balancing scientific discussion with philosophical narratives. The Cookbook for the Universe synthesizes the foundational concepts of Ex Nihilo and Essay on Relative Gravity into a unified and expansive framework. It is a multidisciplinary work that advances theoretical physics while inviting philosophical reflection on existence and evolution. By integrating abstract principles with tangible applications, the book serves as both a culmination of prior ideas and a platform for future exploration.